Hello, everyone.
Hi, Andrew.
Welcome back to the show.
I'm happy to be here.
Great to hear that, Ava. Welcome to day 24 of our 30-day English challenge.
Wow, day 24 already.
Yes, time flies when we learn. Today's topic is very useful. We will talk about our homes.
Oh, describing my home?
Exactly. It's a great topic. We can talk about where we live.
That sounds interesting.
It is. Let's start with a phrase. We can say my home is.
My home is.
Yes. Then you add a word. Like, my home is small.
My home is small.
Or, my home is big.
My home is big.
Good job. So, we can describe its size.
Okay, size. What else?
We can also talk about its type. For example, it's an apartment.
It's an apartment.
Or, it's a house.
It's a house.
What's a house to you?
It's where I live.
Right, you're at home.
Yeah, I am.
It's a place to sleep.
I sleep there.
You can eat there too.
I eat with family.
That's nice, say at home.
At home.
Like this, I'm at home now.
I'm at home now.
Where do you live, Ava?
I live in a house.
You said that already.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, it's okay.
What's okay?
It's okay to make mistakes.
I see, really?
Yeah, really it's fine.
I'd like a big house.
What would you do?
I'd play with friends.
That sounds fun, say my home.
My home.
Like this, my home is big.
My home is big.
Is your home big, Ava?
No, it's not big.
Well, it's your home.
Yeah, I like it.
You can say I love my home.
I love my home.
That's very nice, Ava.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome, Ava. So, Ava, we talked about what a home is.
Yeah, it's where you live.
Exactly. And most homes are one of two types.
Oh? What are they?
We have houses.
Houses.
And we have apartments.
Apartments.
A house is usually a building for one family.
One family? Like a whole building?
Yes, often. It has its own garden, maybe.
A garden? Wow.
And apartments are usually in a bigger building.
Bigger building. Okay.
Many families live in one apartment building.
So, like flats?
Yes, apartments are often called flats in British English.
I see. So, house is one family, apartment is many.
That's the main difference, yes.
What else is different?
Well, a house often has more space.
More space.
And you have more privacy.
Privacy. What's that?
It means it's just you and your family there.
I understand.
An apartment can be smaller.
Smaller.
And you share the building with others.
Right. So, a house is like a private home.
That's a good way to say it. A private home.
A private home.
Yes. And apartments are in buildings with neighbors.
Neighbors. Okay.
Okay, so you're in a home. What rooms are there?
I don't know. What's first?
It's the living room, right?
Living room, yeah.
You watch TV in the living room.
I watch TV, okay.
Then there's the kitchen.
Kitchen, got it.
You cook food in the kitchen.
Cook food, right?
What about the bedroom?
Bedroom, yeah, I sleep.
You sleep in the bedroom. That's right.
It's where my bed is.
Exactly. Where's the bathroom?
Bathroom, I take a shower.
You take a shower. That's right.
And I brush my teeth.
You brush your teeth every day?
Every day, twice.
Say, I'm going to my room.
I'm going to my room.
You can say that when you're tired.
When I'm tired, yeah.
Or when you want to be alone.
Alone, okay.
It's a useful phrase. Try it.
I'm going to my room right now.
Well, not now, we're talking.
Oh, right, sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
What's next, Andrew?
Let's talk about the dining room.
Dining room, I eat there.
You eat with your family.
With my family, yeah.
What's your favorite room, Ava?
I like the kitchen.
Yeah, it's a great room.
What's it for?
We cook and eat there.
Oh, I see.
You're right, it's very important.
Really?
Say, I cook in the kitchen.
I cook in the kitchen.
Like, you make toast.
Yeah, I make toast.
What's in your kitchen?
There's a table.
And chairs, right?
Yeah, we have chairs.
Say, I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
To eat, yeah?
What's on the table?
There's a plate.
And a cup.
You're right, we need cups.
For water, yeah?
Say, I drink water.
I drink water.
From a cup, right?
Yeah, that's right.
What else is in the kitchen?
There's a fridge.
To keep food cold.
I see, yeah.
It's very useful.
Really, it is.
You can say my kitchen is small.
My kitchen is small.
Like, not very big. Okay, now the bedroom.
What's in it?
You sleep there.
Oh, right.
It's where you rest.
Yeah, I see.
You have a bed.
That's where I sleep.
Say, I sleep in my bed.
I sleep in my bed.
Like, every night.
Really?
You need a bed.
I have one.
What else is there?
A closet.
That's right.
For clothes.
Say, I keep my clothes in the closet.
I keep my clothes in the closet.
It's very useful.
Yeah, it is.
You can hang things.
Like what?
A dress or shirt.
I see.
Don't forget shoes.
I have many shoes.
You can put them away.
In the closet.
That's right.
It's not very big.
But it's enough.
For my clothes.
And your bed.
Yeah, that's all.
Now let's talk about the bathroom.
What's in a bathroom?
You're right. It's a small room.
Yeah, that's true.
It's where you take a shower.
I take a shower every day.
You wash your hands. It's very important.
I wash my hands often.
Say, I need to use the bathroom.
I need to use the bathroom.
You might say this at a restaurant.
Oh, really?
When you need to go, you know.
Yeah, I see.
It's where you brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
You can say the bathroom is clean.
The bathroom is clean.
If someone asks, you can say this.
Right, got it.
The bathroom is very useful.
Yeah, it's true.
We use it every day, don't we?
We do, every day.
It's a necessary room,
I think so, yeah.
Well, that's the bathroom.
That's all, I think.
You're right, it's simple.
But important, right?
Yes, very important.
I'm glad we talked about it.
Me too, it's helpful.
Yeah, that's all.
Now you know rooms in a home.
Yeah, that's all.
It's time for a phrase.
What's the phrase?
I live in. You use it to say where you live.
Oh, I see.
I live in an apartment.
Really?
Yeah, it's true.
I live in a house.
That's right.
What's next?
You try it.
I live in a flat.
That's good.
Is it the same as apartment?
Yes, it is.
I don't have a garden.
Well, apartments don't.
But I have a balcony.
That's nice.
I can sit outside.
You're lucky.
Yeah, I am.
Now you know the phrase.
I live in.
Remember, it's easy.
I'll try to use it.
That's great.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome.
It's helpful.
I'm glad.
I'll practice it.
Good idea. So, Ava, we talked about different rooms. Now, let's talk about what's inside them.
Oh, like furniture? What things are in a room?
Exactly. Let's start with the living room. What do you see in a living room?
I think a sofa? A couch?
Yes, a sofa or a couch. They're the same. You sit on a sofa.
I sit on a sofa.
Good. I have a big red sofa. What else?
Maybe a television? A TV?
Perfect. A TV. We watch TV.
We watch TV.
That's right. My TV is very big. What about a table?
Oh, a coffee table? In front of the sofa?
Yes, a coffee table. It's usually low. You put drinks on it.
I see. So, sofa, TV, coffee table.
Good. Sometimes there are chairs too. Armchairs.
Like big soft chairs?
Exactly. One person sits in an armchair.
One person sits in an armchair.
Yeah, I have 2 armchairs in my living room.
Oh, that's nice. What about lights?
Good question. We have lamps. A floor lamp or a table lamp.
Lamps. I have a lamp.
Me too. My lamp is next to the sofa.
So, a living room has a sofa, a TV, a coffee table, armchairs, and lamps.
You got it. That's a good start.
It's good to know these words.
It is. We use them every day.
What about pictures on the wall?
Ah, yes. We call those pictures or paintings.
Pictures.
You put pictures on the wall.
Yeah, I do.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's talk about the bedroom.
What's in the bedroom?
You have a bed.
Oh, yeah,
You sleep in it.
I do every night.
It's comfy, huh?
Yeah, it is.
What about the kitchen?
I cook there.
You have a table.
Yeah, I eat there.
You can say, I have a table.
I have a table.
For example, I have a table in my kitchen.
That's where I eat.
Right, it's useful.
Yeah, it is.
You can put food on it.
Oh, yeah,
And you can say, I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
For example, I sit at the table to eat breakfast.
I see.
It's a simple phrase.
Yeah, it is.
You can use it every day.
Really?
Yeah, you can.
I'd like to practice.
That's great. Let's practice.
Okay, I have a bed.
That's right, you do.
And I have a table.
You're doing well, Ava.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, describe your home.
I live in a house.
That's right, you do.
It's small, isn't it?
Well, it's cozy.
I have a kitchen.
What's in your kitchen?
A table and chairs.
Right, and a fridge.
Oh, yeah, a fridge.
Say, I have a fridge.
I have a fridge.
Like, I have a fridge in my kitchen.
I see, that's easy.
Now, what's in your bedroom?
A bed and closet.
That's right, you're doing well.
And a living room.
What's in your living room?
A TV and sofa.
Say, I have a TV.
I have a TV.
Like, I have a TV in my living room.
That's simple.
You're doing great, Ava.
Thanks, Andrew.
Keep going, describe more.
I have a bathroom.
What's in your bathroom?
A shower and sink.
Right, and a toilet.
Oh, yeah, a toilet.
Say, I have a bathroom.
I have a bathroom.
Like, I have a bathroom upstairs.
I see, that's useful.
Now let's ask about homes.
Yeah, I'd like that.
Do you live in a house?
What's the question mean?
It's where you live, house or apartment.
Oh, I see.
Say it with me. Do you live in a house?
Do you live in a house?
Right, now ask me.
Do you live in a house?
No, I don't.
Really?
I live in an apartment.
That's cool.
Ask about rooms. How many rooms?
How many rooms?
Say it like you're asking me.
How many rooms do you have?
I have 3 rooms.
Yeah, that's nice.
You can ask, what's your favorite room?
What's your favorite room?
My favorite room is the kitchen.
I see. Why's that?
I like to cook.
Oh, me too.
Ask, do you have a garden?
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't.
Well, that's okay.
You can ask about pets. Do you have a pet?
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
Really? What kind?
I have a cat.
I see. That's nice.
Now you try. Ask me a question.
Do you like your apartment?
Yeah, I do. What's next, Ava?
I want to practice, Andrew.
Right, let's practice.
What's your home like?
It's nice, I think.
Is it big?
No, it's not big.
You have a garden?
Yeah, I do have one.
That's nice. I'd like one.
You can have a small one.
How many rooms?
I have 3 rooms.
What rooms do you have?
I have a kitchen and bedroom.
And a living room?
Yeah, that's right.
I live in a house.
I live in an apartment.
I live in a house. What's next?
You can say what's in it.
What's in my house?
You can say I have a TV.
I have a TV, yeah.
In my living room.
Where's your TV?
It's in my living room.
That's a good place.
Yeah, it's nice.
Can I say I have a sofa?
Yes, you can say that.
I have a sofa, right?
That's right, Ava. It's time to recap, Ava.
Yeah. What did we learn?
We learned I live in.
I live in, right?
That's right. Say it with me.
I live in a house.
Great job. Ava, you're good.
Thanks, Andrew. You're helpful.
We talked about homes, yeah?
Houses and apartments, oh yeah.
And rooms, like kitchen and bedroom.
I like the kitchen. I cook there.
Well, we also talked about furniture.
Like a bed and a table, right?
That's right. Ava, you're smart.
Thanks, Andrew. I'm happy.
It's time to say goodbye, Ava.
Okay, goodbye, Andrew.
Don't forget, we have day 25 tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'm excited.
We'll learn more new things, yeah?
Really? What will we learn?
You'll see. It's a surprise, Ava.
Oh, I love surprises.
Well, see you tomorrow, then.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, Andrew.
Have a great day, Ava. Bye.
You too, Andrew. Bye.
It was fun chatting with you.
Yeah, same to you, Andrew.
We'll talk again soon, okay?
Okay, sounds good, Andrew.
Take care, Ava. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Andrew. See you tomorrow.